we're going to go over the shocking a well using a well-safe sanitizer pack. Each pack comes with a complete set of instructions on the back and some basics that we're going to go over today with you. It also contains a bottle of the granule and a bottle of the tablets. First step is to bypass all water treatment equipment. Once that is taken care of, we can then go out to the well, remove the well cap itself, and establish a drop tube to get by any restrictions that may be in the well. Be careful not to drop the tube down the well itself. Next, we're going to go back to the instructions, and on the very back side you'll see in the table a set of instructions that tell you how much chlorine to use. In this example, we're going to say we have a 6-inch well and 100 linear feet in the casing. Per that, the instructions would tell us to use 2.9 ounces of granule and 106 tablets. We're going to take the granule and in a 5-gallon bucket, fill the 5-gallon bucket 3/4 full, add the granules into it. Next, we're going to take the tablets, count out the 106 that we need, and start with just one to drop down the well to hear a kerplunk. Once we hear that kerplunk, we can then add the rest of the tablets. Once we've added the tablets, we're going to then take the slurry and pour that down into the well. The next step is to grab a garden hose, and hopefully there's a hydrant close by that we can pump the water from the hydrant into the well casing, circulating it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you should smell a nice strong chlorine residual. If you do not smell strong chlorine residual, we need to go back and add some more chemical. A little bit at a time works great with equal amounts. After we have the chemical and the strong chlorine residual in the well casing, we're then going to go flush all the lines in the house. This means everything that a line is hooked to, every outdoor spigot, anything in the household. After all lines have had chlorinations in them, we're going to let it sit for 6 hours, or a lot of times overnight. Once it's sat overnight, we're going to go back out to the well and flush the water out of the well until we no longer smell chlorine in it. This could take several minutes. After the well is clear of chlorine, we're then going to flush everything out of the house. Once the house is completely flushed, we're going to put the service equipment back into service and anything else such as the well cap back in serviceable position. You have now successfully completed a sanitation of your well and water system.